The Nokia 8110 4G does feature a camera, but it's as basic as they get these days. A 2MP snapper adorns the rear of the phone along with a single LED flash, a feature the original didn't have, and there's no front-facing option. It's really only good for the very occasional snap, and you're limited in what you can do with your pictures after taking them in terms of social sharing and sending, thanks to the basic feature set. Where the Nokia 8110 4G will shine is battery life, and HMD claims the 1,500 mAh power pack inside the handset is good for up to 25 days on standby. It also says you can make an 8.5-hour LTE voice call on a single charge, although that seems like an awful long time for one call. Wouldn't you run out of things to say? Anyway, thanks to its long battery life, the 8110 4G can bill itself as a festival or emergency phone, as you don't have to worry about constantly charging it, which is done via micro support.